To answer this question, we need to divide 41 by 5. Another way of thinking about that is how many times will 5 go into 41? The answer boxes here give us a bit of a clue that it's not going to go in an exact number of times because we've got a remainder box over here. But let's work our way through the question and see how it goes. So we'll start by asking how many times does 5 go into 4? Well, it's going to go in 0 times because 5 is bigger than 4. So we'll put a 0 in the box above the 4. However, it's going to go in 0 times, but there's going to be 4 left over, so we need to carry our 4 over into the next column. To do that, we'll click on the second tab and use the small 4 to fill in the small grey answer box. So now we've got to ask ourselves, how many times does 5 go into 41? Well, 5 is going to go into 40 exactly 8 times, so it's going to go in 8 times with 1 left over. So we'll put an 8 in the answer box above the 1, and then 1 remainder into the remainder answer box. Let's try another one. So this time we want to see how many times 3 is going to go into 49. So we'll start with saying, how many times does 3 go into 4? Well, it's going to go in once. And we're going to use the second tab to put a 1 in the small grey answer box because 3 is going to go into 4 once, but there's going to be 1 left over. So now we've got 19 in the second box. How many times does 3 go into 19? Well, it's going to go in 6 times because 3 times 6 is 18, which is almost 19. So it's going to go in 6 times, but because 18 is 1 less than 19, we're going to have 1 left over. So we'll put a 1 in our remainder box, and that completes the question.